Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to clear data in Monopoly Go app. So in order to reach at the clear data option, you have two different methods. In the first method, you just have to tap on the settings of your device, then scroll down and then tap on the apps option. In the apps, you need to tap on manage apps and then you will be able to see all of the applications that are currently installed in your device. So among these, you simply need to search for Monopoly Go and then tap on its icon. Now once you are in the app info of Monopoly Go, you need to tap on the clear data option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you will be able to see these two options in front of you. Now the second method of reaching at the clear data option, you need to long press on the Monopoly Go application and then you will be able to see the app info option. So if you tap on app info, you will be landed on the app info page of Monopoly Go application. Here you again need to tap on the clear data option, and then between these two options you just have to select the first option, that is clear data. Then it will ask you, are you sure that you want to clear all the data? This will include your files, settings, account, database, cache, etc. So if you are certain that you want to clear data, then you need to tap on the OK button and then your Monopoly Go app's data will be cleared successfully. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.